Hello class! I wanted to make this getting started video for everyone to help with any navigation of the course and give you some tips to be successful. My main goal is to help each of you succeed. I am very flexible. Please communicate with me and I will always communicate with you. Throughout our 10 weeks, 6 of those weeks we will have a discussion board where you'll be interacting with your peers. I ask that you be mindful of your peers' views and respectful throughout the collaboration in the discussion boards. The golden rule of treat others how you would want to be treated will stand in our course. I want this to be a positive experience for everyone, so please make sure you are respectful in all interactions. The best thing about the discussions is all the experiences each one of you brings. When you first log into your course, you will see all the most recent announcements. In the first week, I do have 4 announcements already posted. You will want to make sure and select View All Announcements to see the My Instructor announcement and short brief video telling you more about my family and myself. Several resources that will be helpful throughout the course will be academic support, Shapiro Library, and the IT Service Desk. You can find these resources located at the top of your course. I would encourage you to bookmark the Shapiro Library. The tools bar is helpful to see who is in your course and view the calendar. The calendar is up to date. I also provided a weekly schedule you can save on your computer in this announcement. When you are ready to start, select Course Menu and then select Learning Modules. This will take you to the overview. I encourage you to read this and then move to the Start Here. Here you will find the syllabus, the e-portfolio support, which we'll use at the end of the course, Turnitin, and how to post in the general questions board. Then please navigate to assignment information. Here you will find all the rubrics for every discussion board, assignment, milestone, and the final project rubric. I cannot stress enough that I will grade per the rubric. Please use the rubric as your guide, and if you have any confusion on what is asked of you, please let me know. My goal is to help you and understand the material, and most importantly, be able to apply and comprehend what you are learning. One small tip I would love to share is the bookmark tool. I would encourage you to bookmark the rubrics you will use often, like the graduate discussion rubric and the final project guidelines and rubric. What you will do is select the page you want to bookmark, select this small bookmark icon, and then later, when you need to find it, just go to Learning Modules and select Bookmarks. And then all the pages will be there that you bookmarked, will be displayed. When you have worked your way through the Start Here, you are ready to start with Module 1. With each module, I encourage you to sort through the module introduction, module overview, and reading and resources. Map out your week by setting time aside during the beginning of the week to complete the readings, and then time in the second half of the week to focus on your discussions and assignments. For the discussion boards, the initial post will be due on Thursday and the responses on Sunday. All assignments are due on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. that week. In the first week of the course, everything is done in Eastern Standard Time Zone. After week 2, everything is due in your own time zone. And then last but not least, when you're ready for your grades, you will select Course Menu and then Grades. Here, your grades will be displayed along with any overall feedback that I leave. You will have to select View Graded Rubric to see more feedback from me in each critical element. I do usually leave written feedback, but will sometimes use the audio or video tool throughout the course. Thank you for listening. If you have made it this long, please let me know if you need anything throughout the next 10 weeks.